Here we have a 2016 Lexus RC F. It's got that 5.0 liter V8. Made it to the 8-speed automatic transmission with direct shift. There's that mean exhaust. It's that beautiful grille right there. There you have your 19-inch aluminum wheels, slotted brake rotors, and you've got your orange RCF calipers, carbon fiber mirrors. You've also got the adjustable carbon fiber spoiler. And this model's pearl white on red seating. They're also heated and cooled. And as you can see, that's the spoiler adjusted. And this is on the performance package that you get the adjustable spoiler. And we'll come back to the interior here in a minute. You've got memory seating, power door locks, power mirrors, power windows. For being a sports coupe, it actually has pretty good cargo space. And there's your passenger seat. Tough. There's your navigation system, backup camera, dual zone climate control, got your Mark Levinson Premium surround sound system, heated and cooled seats, and there's your shifter along with your little mouse pad that you basically use to control the infotainment center. And then you can choose from eco, normal, and sport mode. And then you've also got your TVD that you can control too. Got standard, slalom, and then track. And next we're going to take this RCF out on the road, see how it drives and handles. Woo! Lost traction there for a minute. I like that. The drivetrain itself is very tame, just in terms of how it shifts. Definitely, you could tell everything is electronic. It's fun, but it's controlled. It's a Lexus. And it's gonna drive like a fast Lexus. But in this mode, it does let me get quite a bit of differential slip. More than I would have expected, which is fun. Let's see what we've got getting on the interstate here. Oh my, this thing is quick. Please excuse that bumpiness coming through my camera. I'm gonna switch modes here because I am got it in normal now, and I'm gonna put the TVD in standard and see how that changes how it drives. It's nothing too crazy in terms of speed, but for a sports car, it's definitely, the seats are comfortable. The ride is not as harsh as I would have expected, even with it in track mode. It's stiff, but it's plush at the same time. Let's get a quick rev in here. Exhaust definitely sounds good. And I didn't even test my adaptive cruise. Hopefully I can do it on the back road coming up here. But this does have the dynamic cruise option. Let's see. Let you change the mode. All right, here. Definitely a quick car. It doesn't feel as fast, but on the straight line, you can definitely tell it's a V8. And it is agile. Whew. Slow down. I love the sound from the exhaust though. Absolutely love it. And the drone on the low revs, it's just fun. I mean, you're low to the ground, and with this performance package, with it being a track car, it is, like I said before, it's a stiff ride, but it is plush. But as you can tell by, you know, probably my camera moving quite a bit, it is stiff. See if I can get this cruise on. And that's the adaptive cruise slowing me down. Even though I have it set at 60 something. But this truck in front of me is doing 40, so the dynamic cruise is cruising at 40 right now. And there you have it. That's my review of the 2016 Lexus RC F.